In this video, we are going to show you how to build a content pipeline in Poppy AI. Now, building a content pipeline in Poppy involves creating a visual workspace where you feed reference materials such as competitor links and past scripts, etc., to train your Poppy AI chat that you have executed, right? So what that means is you need to open a new board and then you create groups, right? You don't want everything cluttered. You want things organized. So once you have created groups, by clicking G or pressing this option here, you can name them or label them as, say, competitor videos if you want to pretty much shadow your competitors, and then competitor scripts, right? You can create competitor scripts by just feeding or uploading or copy pasting the videos over here, and then connecting this, and then just prompt your Poppy chat and say, give me the entirety of, or the full script of the video if you have one video, or you can just name the video over here because you can rename it here. And then afterwards, you can just copy paste the script and create a text box, paste the script here, put the script here on the competitor scripts, right? Connect this, and now you can actually, once you connected these, you can have your AI chatbot generate viral hook scripts, repurpose assets of your competitors automatically. So you can do this by just prompting again. You can do this by say this prompt based on my reference videos and target audience. Give me 5 viral video ideas, and with hooks and script outlines based on whatever you have connected to your Poppy chat. So that's pretty much the baseline for a pipeline. That's how you do it. You can be more expansive. It's going to be more complicated, but again, everything is here. You need to have a clear prompt for your Poppy chat, and you need to be organized. And if you're interested in trying out Poppy AI, you can get a $25 discount when you click on the link in the description below. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. That way I can see you on the next video.